my family's house, and today we're making roast fish. This is my Uncle John. Then we're gonna start out the fire, and then we're gonna season up the fish. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we're making up the fire. Wood fire, Jamaican style. We're gonna use all three, or we're just gonna two.
Nah, burn
Now I'm going to use some vinegar just to wash off the fish to get rid of some of the rawness.
You're not gonna ride them.
So I'm there with my auntie, and she's gonna tell me the seasoning what we're gonna use for the fish.
The stuffing, guys. We have the scallion, okra, pepper, onion, carrot. We have one cock soup here. We have some Maggi seeds and we have all-purpose fish. We're gonna do some roast fish today. Yeah, man. That is it.
Fire ready. Look at that.
So, guys, we're gonna wash off the seeds with them now, and then cut them up, go in our fish.
This look nice already.
We're actually great. It's shady carrot now, guys. And we are use carrot in this one. This is our style.
Alright, this is all like seasoning for fish.
We're gonna mix it up and then stuffy fish.
Oh.
Yeah. You're putting the cock soup, butter, and Maggi all-purpose and fish. Maggi fish.
Okay.
We have to rub it up now, no, guys. So one thing, if you're afraid of pepper, you can't put your hand in this. So burn you. Yeah. Alright, guys.
You see people do it, they can
Do it all you like to do it. Yeah, do it all we want to do it.
and all we know how to do it.
Yes.
Alright,
We
so,
like it.
so you put it on the inside and then you put it on the outside too?
Yeah, make it
You
well
rub up
seasoned.
Oh, okay.
The fish not fresh when it's done. You rub up the season on it.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna stuff the fish. Put my hand, a little bit of salt, and just put it on the opening a little bit. Just like that. Now, I'm gonna stuff the fish. It's the first time I make roast fish. So I have my auntie there here. I show me. She has me to learn nothing. And then put it over. Too little. The one I got be mine. So I add little extra seasoning because that one I mine. I mark that one. Now we're dropping it, guys. Alright, I just put that one over. Yeah, but how long you think I'm going to take on some? Oh, about 15-20 minutes. 15-20 minutes, quick. There you go. Put it all over. Put it all over. Put it over the pan now. Put it over the pan. Over the top. I'm going to throw water all over it.
To make it then soft.
Too much, but not too little bit. So I just make your fish nice and soft and juicy, you see me? Yeah. Alright. And then soft. You can just press your hand down on them, they soft. You can know to them roast.
Fish are roast.
Right, we're checking and all now. Fish they look like they're roast. Can you feel them? See eh?
You don't know. Next time we come back. Right here, so I take off because we go eat it, taste it. Can't wait. I take them off here now.
Smell good, guys. I can see right there, so. Yeah, the nice juice just a drip out. Smell nice. Smell nice.
So we'll go ahead and share some. I could subscribe by them taste, you know? Don't know? Look good.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice. Guys, look at that. Juicy, nice. Very nice.
Real old Jamaica ginger. Bula.
Wonderful. Bulan fish, roast fish, you can't beat that.
Nothing can beat that.
Look at that. Look at that.
I tasting mass that, you know.
Right now, I'm going to use.
Aye,
That's your fault, yeah. Of course.
Nice.
How is it? How is it? Is it good? Yeah, you shy? It's good? Alright.